Hi friends, this is Amit and you are watching my channel Information and Educational Video. So in this video I will talk about the WBJE 2021, that is the best book for each subject and the important topic in each subject. So hope you are preparing well for this exam and this video might help you in scoring good marks in the upcoming WBJE 2021. So in this video I will talk also about the tips for good preparation and how to get good marks in the upcoming exam. So if you're first to my channel, please subscribe it so that you will get the further video on WBJE and JEE Main also. So like this video and share this video to your friends so that they can also get this information. So let's start the video. So first is physics important book. Which book you should follow? The first is NCERT book because some questions are directly from the NCERT book. And concept of physics H.C. Verma. If you don't solve this book, then also it is good. You need to focus on a particular book which cover all the topic in a detail so that you have the concept and you can do more practice, more number of questions you can solve so that you will feel easy in the upcoming exam. And the third is Understanding Physics by DC Pandey. So this book I will consider the best. To NCERT and Understanding Physics by DC Pandey can be the best option for you for preparing the WBJ exam. And if you are for board student, then you can follow the book that you are using in your school, and other you can use any previous year question book which give you the previous year question so that you have the feel of the exam. So next is the important topic in physics. The first is SHM, electrostatic. Second, third is current electricity, and EMI and waves, that is electromagnetic induction and electromagnetic waves. So these are the topic which may have more than one question or two question because these are the important topic. From this topic, from last 2 to 3 year, two question or maybe three question came in from every topic. So you need to prepare well for this topic. Heat and thermodynamics, and modern physics and semiconductor. And last is laws of motion and rotational motion. So these are the topics in physics you need to take care more so that you can score good in the upcoming WebG exam. So in the last I will discuss about some tips that you need to follow regarding the preparation of the exam so that your preparation will be very good. So watch the video till the end so that you can listen to those tips. And now important book in maths. So again, math class 11 and 12 you need to focus because this exam WebG in it is a state level exam and it consider the question particularly math extension of the board question, because you will find the question which came in WBJ is somehow similar to board exam but it is more difficult than board exam. So math class 11 and 12, RD Sharma you can solve, and RS Agrawal. So these are the three books you can look for the math. Now important topic in the maths. So sets, relation and function, vectors and 3D geometry, complex number, calculus, matrices and determinant. This is the most important topic. Matrices and determinant will contain more than 4-5 questions you can expect. Vector 3D also 2-3 questions, and calculus also. Probability and permutation and combination will also have more than 5-6 questions. So you need to take care about for this particular topic so that you will have a good score. So now I will talk about the books in chemistry. So NCERT book will be the first because the 50% question will be come directly from the NCERT book, not in only BXG exam but in every exam, because the chemistry question will sit from the NCERT because NCERT is the standard book for particularly the chemistry subject. So another you can choose physical chemistry by OP Tandon and concept of organic chemistry again by OP Tandon. So this is the important book for chemistry. Now important topics in chemistry. So solid state and solution, electrochemistry, chemical kinetics and chemical bonding, surface chemistry, SPDF block element, that is inorganic chemistry, and organic chemistry. And the last is redox reaction and equilibrium. So this is all about the important book and important topics. Now I will talk the most important point, that is tips for the preparation, for the good preparation. So for current student, focus more on the class 12 syllabus, as you have to prepare for your board exam also. So maybe both the exam will coincide in the same, on the around similar dates, so you need to more focus on 12 syllabus so that you have a good score in class 12 board, because the first priority should be board. If you score good in boards, you can take drop. If you don't score good in the board exam, then you have no option for taking drop. So you should consider in class 12th more, so that you will have a good score in VFG also and in the board exam also. So focus class for class 11 syllabus, just cover the topic you know well. Suppose if you have studied in class 11 some topic and you know well about that topic, so don't need to forget that topic. You need to do practice on that topic only which you know well. Don't need to cover the new topic from class 11, because that will not ask in the your board exam. So you need to just follow the class 12 syllabus and the 11 which you know very well. So class 12 syllabus you can do in detail, so that both the exam can be done. And do more practice from the topic you already know well. As I said, the you need to practice more and more about the topic which you know well. Don't try to learn the new topics near the exam time, because that will not increase your confidence. So don't try to learn new topics near the exam, as I said. And for droppers, you just need to cover all the topic you have studied so far, because you have so much time. Last year also you have prepared. Now you again you know very well which type of question asked in the exam and which are the topic you know well. Then first cover all the topic which you know and practice more and more questions, so that you have the confidence that if the question came from that topic, I can easily solve. And then try to learn the new topic if possible. So try to learn first the easy topic, then go for the hard one. And don't try to waste your time with new topics in a hurry, because if you do one or two new topic in 1 or 2 days time, then that will not increase your confidence, because you can't do 1 or 2 topic in 1 2 days and you can solve that question in the exam. So your time will be wasted. So put those time in the topic you know well, so that your confidence will be high about that topic. And all the students should solve previous year paper at least 5 years before 1 month of the exam. It is necessary to solve the previous year paper and also before 1 month, because if you solve the previous year paper before 5 or 6 days of exam and you find it difficult, then nothing can be done. If you do it 1 month before, you can make your strategy for the exam, you can change it, or you can make new strategy how to solve the question so as to manage your time. So this is all about the tips for the preparation and the video that will help you in the preparation of WJ exam. Hope you find this video useful, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends, so that they can also get this information. And if you have any doubt after watching the video, you can ask in the comment section or on my Instagram. Thanks.